Let's connect and ingest. As you can see, we have access to a number of different platforms. That includes Greenhall's Sales and Service Cloud platform, as well as their NetSuite ERP. These systems don't usually talk to each other, but with a few clicks, we can gain access to large amounts of data and find our upsell targets. We determine where our data is coming from, authenticate to our data sources, and pull in the data. Here you can see how straightforward it is to pull in data from Sales Cloud. Other platforms have a similar process that is point and click. Now let's harmonize and unify our data. We've clicked into our NetSuite transaction line items, and you can see on the left, they are mapped here to our data model objects, part of the Customer 360 data model on the right. Data Cloud has made these connections for us, but as you can see, if there's other data that we want to map, it's as simple as clicking on the left and then mapping to the Customer 360 data model on the right. I could also disconnect them, or in this case, I have added a rebate object. This is not part of the Customer 360 data model, but remember that model is flexible, so we can add any number of objects that we like. From there, we build and activate. We have set our rules. Show us customers who have purchased a battery or a solar panel in the last year. We also want to make sure they don't have an existing warranty agreement and that they don't have an open support case. This audience has been scheduled to be activated in Marketing Cloud account engagement. We could have done this as a one-time thing, but in this case, we scheduled it to run daily. Individuals in the activated segment are added to a dynamic list in Marketing Cloud account engagement. As individuals are added to the list, they enter and immediately receive an email. We then check to see if the recipient has opened the email. If they have not, they'll receive a further promotional offer and be tagged for further communication within account engagement. If they have opened the email, we then check to see if they've placed an order for the warranty service. If they have, we tag that individual in Sales Cloud to receive a phone call from their sales rep, thanking them for their order. If they have not, we also tag their sales rep, but ask them to follow up to give them further information about the warranty service. We also make sure that the individual is assigned to the correct rep. And that's Data Cloud. We've connected and ingested data, harmonized so it made sense, and activated a segment within account engagement so that we can follow up with potential customers. That's just one potential use case of Data Cloud that can have an immediate impact on your business.